So, dito, makikita natin,
Yes.
pinasok nila dalawang ex-pros.
Okay.
Jeremy Mahinay and Fidel Castro. Kasama nila dito. So, how to play. So, a lot will be expected dito sa kanilang laban.
So, you know your history, coach,
Oo, siyempre. Matagal ko na na-cover yung mga yan.
Ito si
kumbaga,
Mahinay.
Oo, Jeremy.
Uy! Mahina yung pangalan niya, pero napakalakas naman ang atake niya. Parang
Yes.
contradictory yun, coach.
Yes, and Jeremy, their squad. They go inside to Jeremy at the post. One-on-one against Gracia. Jeremy gets the basket to go in. Gracia for two. No good. Rebounded here by Castro.
Alam mo
Balik
yung
sa-
battle sa loob, coach, between Mahinay and the big guy of Zamboanga Valientes, talagang... Pero yung experience ni Mahinay talaga very obvious dito.
Is a changed player.
And 2 points by Detailed Academy. Nahihirapan pumasok sa loob ang Zamboanga Valientes dahil may size itong
Oo.
Detailed Academy.
And Jeremy Mahinay. Post up.
I think the Zamboanga Valientes, they need to make Mahinay work.
Oo, ayan.
Dapat no easy baskets dito.
Shot, no good. Three-pointer, or two-pointer rather. Rebounded by Jeremy. Jeremy, the two.
Nakita mo naman yung bitaw na yon.
Oh, that shot was brought to you by Zamboanga Valientes. Ito ngayon, Angeles, back to Mahinay. Jeremy.
Nalibre si Mahinay.
Oh, Jeremy Mahinay. Two-pointer for Mark Rojas, no good. Ito ngayon, Angeles fakes it. Nico.
Oy!
Ooh!
Nice spin move there.
Oh, almost. Jeremy.
Mahinay,
Oh, there's a foul.
nangangalabaw na itong si Mahinay.
And now, taking a look at that, yan mo power play.
Yes.
Nito.
Valientes.
Yes, that is
To Mahinay
Medcan.
again. Ganun kadali kay Mahinay ng miss-score,
Inside to Jeremy. Jeremy. Reverse.
Reverse.
Scores.
Effortless. Ito pong si Mahinay.